What's going on, everybody? Hope you have been so good. I hope you have been enjoying life because I know I have. I am now in Costa Rica and I'm about to do a motorcycle trip. Of course, yes, rocking a hair system as always. And I wanted to take you along for the ride. Man, how good life is for me these days. The sponsor for this video is Lavivid. We started working together again because, you know what, we get some pretty good prices for you. You should also join my subreddit. There's some pretty cool discounts in there, things like that. But listen here, this video, I'm going to be walking you through what it's like to do a motorcycle tour in the middle of the Caribbean in Costa Rica. We're going to be going on 6 days trip, right? I just got my hair system reinstalled, right? So we're going to put it to the test, but also I want to take you along and show you what my life has been looking like for the past couple of years. So, as they say in Spanish, vámonos. Welcome to Costa Rica. This is our starting point outside of San Jose. Let me quickly show you what we've got going on for cars. Get whatever the heck this thing is. What are those? The new guy, aka Squid. They're motorcycles, and we call him the English asshole, which is the nice nickname. You don't want to hear the bad one. And the 4 bikes. From these hallowed grounds, we shall give birth to greatness. Isn't that right, senor English asshole?
The bike, first and foremost, she's leaking before the viaje starts.
We're about an hour into the motorcycle journey here. It's going to be about 6 days. And right now we're actually on a ferry. It's super beautiful. I'm going to see if I can change the focus. Yeah, look at this, man. This is incredible. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it is truly beautiful. I never really knew Costa Rica had a coast like this. It was mountainous and had beaches. One of the things for a really long time that a lot of people think with these hair systems is that they're like locked into a specific type of life where they cannot travel, that they're bound to, you know, these salons. And that's just not true. And the moment that you learn how to do this stuff yourself, when you buy the systems, you learn how to cut them in, you learn how to do the maintenance, all this kind of stuff, it opens up a whole different world for you in terms of what you can do. Go travel. Now, not everybody like me has the ability with their job currently to go travel, to go live life on their own terms, because you might have a corporate job. But you know, I think freedom is everything in life, with your job, but also with your hair system and everything. So learning how to do this stuff is really important to me. I'm very passionate about it because, man, imagine. Most people can't do this. Their work, their hair system, there's always a reason. And I'm all about taking those reasons away and giving you freedom. So I'll see you soon. So this guy's constantly trying to stick me. He's a fiend. We've got these custom stickers for our journey. And he's relentless with it. I feel vulnerable. Onwards we go. Everybody, we are off of the ferry. We're now on the Peninsula in beautiful Costa Rica, and found some water. And it is so warm. It is literally like bath water. But look at this view. Holy smokes, are you kidding me? I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. This is incredible. What the heck is going on? Guys, you gotta get out here and live life.
Yeah, so I know how to get to
Oh, cheers. Cheers.
Get the view, dude. Get the view.
It's a good life. So we just finished up day one of the Costa Rica bike trip, and it's been freaking incredible. But what did happen? I got a nail in my tire, and it had an inner tube, so I had to use my Spanish to talk with some locals, and somebody with a truck picked up my bike. We loaded it on, went to a repair shop who, they were so kind, they fixed it up for us, super cheap, and we continued on, and we got to Santa Teresa, Costa Rica, and we're here now. Check this out. Man, how beautiful is this? This is insane. It's like absolute heaven here. Man, it's so special. And those are some very beautiful women. Life is so good, guys, when you go out there and live. So day one is here. I'm gonna try to get some video of us on the actual bikes tomorrow. It's hard. I'm gonna try to do that. But how's the motorcycle? I mean, how's the hair system? Well, it was like 90 degrees, right? We were riding. I had a helmet on. It was super hot, and sweat just pouring down me. But all is well. Still feeling really, really good. Obviously, it's solid. Looking good after a shower. Hitting the beach now. Enjoying the scenery and all all manners of that phrase. And we'll see. Maybe I'll record a little bit tonight at dinner. See ya. Chris, stop being a girl. Come on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, day 2 of the Mild Marauders motorcycle trip. We're riding on the coastline here on the beach, having an absolute blast. And you know what? You got to see this. Like, look at this in the distance. Like, do you see these mountains? Do you see how beautiful this is, man? What a beautiful life. About the hair system, we have been riding through the jungle. It's been about 90 degrees. It's so stinking hot. And yes, I'm sweating my face off. Bond is doing great. No issues. And it's time to get fucking real.
Hey, what's going on?
Is it time to get fucking real?
That was too much. I didn't like how
Look at this jersey. I don't know what's going on with it, but it looks like...
This is not good camera footage. Like this is the Instagram.
This is good camera footage, though. Right here, we got a little bicep, by the way.
This makes it real. No, the trick is you go here, like that.
Oh yeah, there it is. Well, we got another pinchada, another destroyed wheel. This time it's our British friend, not me.
Flat tire.
Pinchada.
Yeah.
Flat tire.
Day 2, flat tire 2, Malagoma.
I got a little sunburn. Just right in this region right here.
The crotch shot, I love it.
Yeah, you guys like that? Look at the, I got a little rainbow action actually going on here. We got tan. We got a little Napoleon ice cream on my leg. Oh man, 2 hours to go today. And is my face this dirty?
Dude, I'm feeling
I'm glad it
lit
rained
off
last
that, that Monster Energy. I had a little sponsor.
You still got some stuff in your teeth, Mr. Sponsor.
That's how you know it's good.
Oh. Stuck.
Right back over it. Yeah, like, you gotta turn it around, man.
This is where we are. They thought this was going to be a road. I said no, but they said it's a road. Now there's a motorcycle stuck in a tree. And now they're arguing. Oh, let's just go further in. Further in would be good. Further in would help us, maybe. Now he's stuck in a rut.
Alright guys, I've got a confession. The payoff of this video is pretty crappy because honestly, this was my first time really trying to record a trip and I didn't do a great job. I didn't have the right mounts for, you know, motorcycles to really catch the footage, and I kept forgetting to record while we were just living. But, you know, we spent 6 days doing this and it was so much fun. It was an absolute blast, and not only that, but had no worries in respects to, you know, the hair system. It's now about 2 weeks later, you know, so I'm recording this after the fact, but you know, this trip really showed me, I think, a couple things. Like in life, I actually need to slow down a lot more. You know, I spend so much time working. I spent so much time in my office, so much time by a computer that I forget to like go out and live. And it felt really good to get out there with some of my brothers and just enjoy life, because that's what it's all about, right? We are all going to die. We all are with numbered days, and it was a lot of fun. But in terms of, you know, things regarding obviously the hair system and all this kind of fun stuff, you know, we spent 6 days out in the Caribbean, out in the heat, and it was extremely hot, humid, all sorts of things, and it held up great. You know, I always say, like, if you're planning on a trip like more than 2 weeks, yeah, you'll probably want to think about handling it mid-trip. But, you know, 6 days is nothing. It's nothing. So I say get out there, live, enjoy life, spend time with people you love, do the things that you love to do. And I'll see you next one.